Griesser ist 1882 gegründet worden. Griesser was founded in 1882. We operate several production sites, 2 in France, 1 in Nenzing, and of course in Aadorf. The Griesser Group employs a total of 1,600 people. In Switzerland, we produce external Venetian blinds as well as roller blind products. We have been working successfully with Bossard for over 30 years. We have integrated the latest logistics solution with smart labels into our process. Employees have the opportunity to view the order status and delivery date on site in production. In our latest joint project with Bossard, we have optimized our assembly and picking process. Specifically, we had 4 different picking processes that we wanted to simplify and standardize. We looked for a suitable system solution for this.
Our solution for Griesser was the worker assistant software ELAM. This allows them to map all their processes in a single process. The employees automatically receive a picking list, which is then processed step by step. For process safety, the company Griesser uses smart labels, which are already integrated into the logistics system. Through these smart labels, pick by light can be operated, allowing the company Griesser to pack their sets error-free.
The added value of this is simplicity. The system is smart and simple. Thanks to Bossard, we were able to further develop the existing system, and thanks to that, the implementation went smoothly.
The data obtained can be used to further optimize the assembly station, which leads to an increase in efficiency.
There are already initial thoughts about how we can use the system in other ways. We rely on collaboration with our partner, Bossard. We particularly appreciate their professionalism and the added value they bring.